everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we're going to make a facial cleanser. This is a 3-ingredient cleanser, a very simple but a very effective facial cleanser. I'm going to be using ingredients that are known to lighten and brighten the skin, ingredients that are known to clear hyperpigmentation, any form of dark spots and blemishes, and also to clear sunburn on the skin. This is also good to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. This is also good to get rid of blackheads and whitehead on the skin. It's like a pick-me-up cleanser. Whenever you find that your skin is looking a little dull and you just need to boost it, you just need it to get a natural glow in a short period of time, this cleanser is for you, so continue watching.
Now let's put this very simple recipe together. You're gonna need a small bowl for mixing. And look at my first ingredient. Here I have aloe vera leaf. This is a fresh aloe vera leaf, and depending on where you live, you can find these in your grocery store. I find these in my grocery store in the produce section. Fresh aloe vera is good for the skin. It have to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. It also have to hydrate the skin, and it also have to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. You can use this to wash your hair, or you can also use it to wash your face. You can simply just cut the aloe vera gel from the leaf and just rub it all over your face. Today, however, I'm going to be mixing it with some other ingredient, and this is why I'm extracting the gel. Extracting the gel from the leaf is pretty easy. I prefer to cut it in small pieces. You can go ahead and either cut the top off and scrape it, or cut it in small pieces like I'm doing here. Remove the upper part of the leaf and then go to the bottom, and once you're done with that, take a look. The gel is what is in the middle, nice, clean and clear. This is what we're going to use to make our aloe vera gel. Now let's just toss the rest of the leaf, and since I'm going to be blending this, I am going to be chopping it in small pieces. So go ahead, reach for your chopper and start chopping. You can also choose to just add it to the blender as is. I like it to chop it for faster and easier blending. Now this gel, when you make it, you can make it several days ahead. You can make the gel and keep it in your refrigerator for at least a week or so. Another tip when it comes on to aloe vera gel is that you can blend it, add a little vegetable glycerin in it, and go ahead and grab an ice tray and just pour it in the ice tray, and you have your aloe vera ice cube, which is going to last you a good 3 months or so in the refrigerator. Now once this is done chopped, I'm going to put it in my small blender. For this recipe, if you do not have a blender, go ahead and use your grinder. That could help also. So let me add this to the blender. And before I start to blend, I'm going to add some liquid to this. Today, I am going to be using some rose water. You can use green tea water. You can even use milk. Milk is going to give you a shorter shelf life, but it's also very good for this recipe. And you can even choose to use coconut water for this recipe. So now, let's just pour about 2 tablespoons of the rose water in, and now we are gonna blend. However, before I blend, let's reach for the final ingredient and just add it here. I'm gonna have some brightening properties to this in the form of turmeric powder. Now turmeric is very strong, guys. You do not need a lot. Remember, this is powdered, so you can take about 2 ounces of turmeric and grind it, and you just get less than a teaspoon of powder. So go very easy. All you need is a dash or a pinch of the turmeric. Add it to the blender with the aloe vera gel and the rose water, and now we are gonna blend. So blend away. We're making a facial wash that's gonna lighten and brighten the skin, a facial wash that is gonna get rid of wrinkles and fine lines, a facial wash that is gonna leave your skin smooth, good for sunburn, also good for ingrown hair. This is just a good facial wash to wash your face all over. So now that this is blend, let's pour it in our small bowl and take a look at that. This is as simple as it gets. Just 3 ingredients can change the way your skin look by getting rid of blackheads and whiteheads, by clearing hyperpigmentation, by getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines, by smoothing the skin and giving you basically glass like skin. And this works very, very fast. The first time I used this, I was just blown away of how amazing it is and how fast acting. You're gonna use this AM and PM on the skin. Give it time to work, guys. So I suggest use this for about 3 to 4 weeks or so, guys, and just watch your skin transform. Just watch the difference to your skin. Store the leftovers in your refrigerator and use it up within 7 days. Amazing. Take a look at my skin. Amazing, amazing. And guess what, guys? This is why we use turmeric in the Khichi Beauty skincare products. We use a lot of turmeric and we also use a lot of aloe vera gel. So if you're interested in more products using turmeric and aloe vera gel, check out the Khichi Beauty turmeric collection. I'm going to put the link right here where you could get them. We have facial cleanser, we have toners, we have facial cream, we have facial mask, we also have facial oil and that you can use on the skin and get basically the same result. A lot of these products that we have are inspired by some of our DIYs like this one. So visit ALESMAXii.com, and if you can't get your hands on our products, then go ahead and make this, use it on your skin, and come back and leave a comment.
And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it. And we have a wide variety of other videos that you can choose to watch. We're going to leave 2 right here for you. You can check out any of these. Don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time and you have not yet subscribed, or even if you have always been watching and you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to visit our store, ALESMAXii.com, and check out our turmeric products. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.